I received this handheld steam cleaner as a gift, and in this video, I'm unboxing it and showing everything that comes included. This is a 1050-watt steam cleaner with a rapid heating stainless steel boiler designed for deep cleaning around the house using steam instead of harsh chemicals. Right out of the box, you can see all the different components included. It comes with 10 different cleaning tools, which makes it really versatile for different areas like kitchens, bathrooms, windows, cars, and more. There are attachments for things like grout, tight corners, larger surfaces, and upholstery, so you can switch them out depending on what you're cleaning. The main unit itself feels solid and it has a safety locking mechanism, which is an important feature for something that builds up steam pressure. In this video, I'm mainly focusing on unboxing and showing all the attachments so you can get a good idea of what's included and how everything fits together. Having multiple tools like this is really helpful because it means that you can use one machine for a lot of different cleaning tasks instead of needing separate tools. Overall, this is a very versatile cleaning tool. The variety of attachments and the compact handheld design makes it something you can use all around the house.